Okay, so a quick thing about the pyRevit tooltips. So every tool in pyRevit has a tooltip that you can see by hovering your mouse over it. The tooltips generally describe if the tool needs to have a selection of elements before you run it. For example, let me show you something as an example. Let's say merge paragraphs. See, it says remove the space and new lines between paragraphs in the selected text node element. So it kind of expects you to have a text node element selected. Um, the other thing is that is important is that generally it tells you that it for example deletes stuff. So it says this tool helps you to remove extra unnecessary information. So it basically warns you that this is what it's doing. It's removing elements from your model. Um, I've really tried to describe the actions of the tool really well in its tooltip. Um, this one, for example, says that it works on all rooms, areas, and space objects. So it's really helpful if you can read those, because basically currently that's the only documentation on the tools. Really, I don't have any of these tools documented anywhere else. I'm trying to create individual videos for important tools that describe that show basically how each one of them work, but these tooltips are going to be really useful meanwhile. There are a couple of other pieces of information on the tooltips as well. There's a bundle name that basically tells you what the name of that bundle is. Sometimes the name of the tool, name of the button is really different than the name of the bundle, because the tool creator might have decided to change the title of the tool based on the Revit version or something like that. That's kind of like flexible in the model, in the pyRevit system scripts. The two other pieces of information is class name and then the assembly name. Assembly name is the name of the DLL that the executive part of this tool lives in. So when you click on this, there's a method inside that DLL that Revit runs, and that method in return runs the IronPython script. That is the name of the DLL that piece exists in it. And the class name is the name of the class that is generated by pyRevit for this specific tool. Whenever you fire up Revit, that class lives also inside that assembly that's listed there.